Hi guys, welcome to the Listen channel. In this video, let me show you how to make this exercise, and it's also known as control guide. Okay, here the dimension for this part you can see on this screen. And then let's make a modeling part now. Let's start from front plane, click sketch, and then click to this point, and I want to make a midpoint line. Make it for construction from this origin point. Right click, then click select smart dimension and set for, and it is 56 millimeter. And then from this toggle, click to this expand, click stretch slot, so from this point to this point, and let's give for its distance, and it's 17.1 millimeter. Then apply. For the next step, let's give our distance, and I want to make for a guideline. Give it for vertical line. Right click, then select. Give a midpoint line. Start from this point, and I want to change for its length, and it is 100. Apply. For the next step, I want to give distance from this line, and it is 54 millimeter. For the next step, I want to make for straight slot and make it for this line too. Let's give for its radius, and it is 22 millimeter. Okay, click to this line and connect to this line. Right click, then click select. For the next step, let's click to this circle, make two circles. For the smaller one, give for its diameter value, and it is 15 millimeter. For the bigger one, and it is 32 millimeter. Click smart dimension to set for its distance from this point, and it is about 50 millimeter. And then connect the circle to this horizontal line. Right click, then select. For the next step, let's click on for mirror entities. I want to make a mirror from these sides. From this mirror robot, you can select for this guideline. From entities to mirror, click to this line, apply, and then click to this line. Let's make a some horizontal line, click customer dimension. For the first one, let's set for 7.8 millimeter. For the second one, make the same way. It's from this line. Set for its value 7.8 millimeter. And the last one, click customer dimension, and this line set for 28 millimeter, then apply. Well, let's delete for unnecessary line by click from entities. Make sure to close select it, then click to this line. Okay. Okay. Then I want to give this sketch thickness by click of feathers, and then click extrude wash. Select for mid plane. Look for the first one. Let's extrude for this sketch and make sure its value 70. And then click to this sketch and then apply. From this one, let's click to the sketch or surface, make it normal to, click more and sketch. Expand for this toggle, click to the sketch and then convert entities. Trim entities, trim to close and select to this line, so it will cut for this sketch. And I want to change for sketch fillet and give for radius, and it is 5 millimeter, and select for this corner and this one too, and apply. You can delete for this sketch too, apply, and then give for its thickness, feather, and extrude wash. And its thickness, it is 10 millimeter. From this line you can see for this arrow, and I want to reverse. Then from the select contour, click to the sketch, apply. Look, and then make up for the same for this other sides. Click to this surface, make it for normal to, click and make it sketch. Select for this sketch, and then you can make it for compound entities, so its sketches appear here, and then click a feather, then extrude wash. And for this thickness, it is same, it is an 10 millimeter. Click and reverse for its row or its direction is inside for this body, and then apply. For the next step, let's give for this extrude for this body by click for this toggle. Sorry for this, just click to this one and then select for extrude cut. Make sure all of this command it make it for mid plane. For the first one, and I want to set for 38mm, and then select for this sketch and then apply. Let's make for the same one. Click to the sketch, extrude cut, and give for 18mm. Change for this direction one, and it's for mid plane. Then select for the sketch, fly. Next, I want to give for the surface, and it is circle sketch by click for this one and normal too. Look, click to this one and make it for sketch. Okay, click to this center line, and I want to make it for a guideline from this point until to this point. Click to the circle, you can read there are for commands 2 holes, 64 center to center. So let's give for this diameter is 12.5mm, and then apply and give for its distance from this point, or and it is 19mm. So if it's fully fine, you can see there are information 35 for its distance, and you can OK. For the next step, let's give for new circle. Okay, give for smart dimension to change for its distance. There is information 64 for its center to center, and then apply. Okay, press to the circle, click and press and hold the control button, then click to the circle too. So let's make for relation it's equal, so its diameter is same for this circle, and then apply. For the next step, let's extrude cut for this body by click of feeders, then extrude cut. Then apply. Okay, finally the part is done or complete. You can make it up for isometric view by click Ctrl 7 combination keyboard button. You can see the sketch will like this, or the part is done. For the next step, if you want to change for its appearance, you can click to this icon. For the example, I want to make it for metal, and I want to make it a steel. Make steel, and I want to define for this color, and then apply. Hi guys, the part is done. I hope you can follow for my instruction, and I hope you will support for this channel. See you on my next video.